Now let's look at, this is going to be Exhibit 23. Now, is it correct to say that Ecoson Homes LLC is a Wyoming company?
It is, yes.
And is Kristen Crescenti still a member of Ecoson Homes LLC?
No, she was an attorney in a Bittman firm.
Okay, so she doesn't have any ownership stake. Is that right?
No, correct.
So Exhibit 24 are the licenses for Propel Builders, Inc., which we talked about.
Yes.
And again, there is a license for construction business information. And you don't know what that license is.
I'm assuming it's the qualifying of the company, but I'm not sure.
And then there's 2 licenses for that. And then this license is in your name, but again, as a construction financial officer for Propel Builders Inc. Right?
I'm sorry, we got that singing in. Can you say that again, please?
This license again is in your name, Ruby Akuka, for Propel Builders Inc. as a construction financial officer, correct?
Correct.
Were you the financial officer for Propel Builders also?
No, but they need somebody, I guess, to be the financial officer for the qualification.
And I couldn't find a construction general contractor license for Propel Builders. Do you know whether one existed?
Yeah, there was one, either building contractor or general contractor. That Paul Abate was the qualifier.
Okay. There's nothing on the Florida website for that.
Company was dissolved, I think, in 2020.
Yep, and let me pull that up again. So this is the articles of dissolution for May 17, 2021. You see that?
Yes.
So you agree that the company was dissolved sometime in May of 2021, correct?
It's saying April 1st. Oh, effective, yeah, May 17, correct.
May 17, 2021. Okay. So my question here is, remember we looked at the exhibit earlier, which was let me just pull that up 1 minute. Yeah. So Exhibit 8 which is the job initiation order that we were looking at. You remember this?
Yes.
So this is dated November of 2021, correct?
Yes.
How is a company that is dissolved in May of 2021 involved in the permitting in November of 2021?
It's not. We just haven't changed the template.
Okay, so you think this is an error, correct? Do you know whether Propel Builders conducted any business after May of 2021?
It did not.
Okay, I think that's all I had. Eric, the only thing that is outstanding and the witness was not able to testify on was, no, well, I'll take that back. because witness did testify there was no response to 558. So, or for, there is no outstanding questions on that. So, but thank you. That's all I had.
Okay, I have a few questions.
Yeah. Okay.
Just a few. Mr. Akuka, early on today, we talked about what was called a price escalation, which essentially was a price increase. Would you agree with that?
Yes.
When the price increase or increases occurred, did the claimants object or did they agree to the increase?
We had back and forth, ended up agreeing and signing an addendum.
Okay, and they executed that addendum reflecting an increase?
Yes.
Okay. You were asked before when talking about the warranties, asking if there was any evidence that you had regarding whether or not the claimants received the warranties. The documents that were signed at closing, did the claimants acknowledge to receiving the warranties at that time?
I wasn't at the closing, so I don't know.
Okay. Think about the contract that was issued as an exhibit. I don't have the exhibit number. Let me ask it this way. At any point in time, did the claimants acknowledge receipt of the warranties?
It's saying on the contract that they acknowledged it. They signed the contract.
And they signed that document acknowledging receipt?
They signed the contract, which referring to the 210 warranty, so yes.
Okay. What is a certificate of occupancy?
It's a collection of, we cannot have anybody occupying the house without a certificate. In order for us to get it, we have to load a lot of documents with all the inspection, all the verifications, all the codes, everything that was confirmed by all the parties along the way. So it's a very tedious process. Pretty much everything have to come together for us to get a certificate of occupancy.
Would a slab inspection be part of that?
Yes.
And did EcoSun, did they pass or fail that inspection?
Pass. The only way to get if you pass all inspections.
Okay, so that would include a tie beam and a sheathing inspection?
Yes.
An uplift and engineering inspection?
Yes.
A lathe inspection?
Yes.
A framing inspection?
Yes.
A wall covering stucco inspection?
Yes.
A drywall inspection?
Yes.
A soffit inspection?
Yes.
A building final inspection?
Yes.
Electrical rough inspection?
Yes.
Pre-power inspection?
Yes.
Mechanical rough inspection?
Yes.
Underground plumbing inspection?
Yes.
Plumbing rough inspection?
Yes.
Septic tie inspection?
Yes.
And a roof dry-in inspection?
Yes.
At the time the certificate of occupancy for this residence was issued, did EcoSun, by and through its subcontractors, pass all of those inspections?
Yes.
Are you aware if the claimants actually moved into the location?
Yes, they moved in.
Okay. We spent a lot of time on what is labeled the preliminary report, going through all of the defects listed therein. When was the first time that you heard about those defects with regard to this property?
When I got the report from Bittman Law.
Prior to that, there was you had no recollection or you did not receive any information about, quote, defects?
No.
I believe it was Mold Trust is a company that EcoSun hired to go out and observe the mold situation at the claimant's home. Is that accurate?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what claimant Huguita does for a living?
I believe he's in the mold business. Not sure exactly what he does, but he's very knowledgeable on mold. And I think from previous conversation, he's definitely a mold guy.
Other than the email from Mr. Huguita to EcoSun regarding the truss and a request to elevate the truss off the ground. Did the claimants correspond with anybody at EcoSun specifically regarding mold?
Not me. Not after we treated it.
Okay. The inspections that we just went over, and let's just use one. Let's use the slab inspection. If that inspection had failed, what would ECO do to obtain a passing inspection at a later date?
Rectify the problem and call back for inspection. There's no way to move forward without passing inspection.
And would that be contacting the subcontractor involved with that portion of the work?
Yeah, we call them. In most cases, they present the inspection. They know what needs to be corrected. They correct it. We call for reinspection, and it passes.
Okay. After the certificate of occupancy is awarded and issues within the warranty period impact a homeowner, the claimants or anybody else that you've done business with, what's the process for a homeowner to make a claim against the warranty?
They go to the portal on 210 warranty and they make the claim. 210 filter it based on the warranty agreement. If it's under warranty, they refer to the relevant subcontractor to come and correct it. And if it's not a warrantyable item, they just inform the customer that they have to take care of it on their own.
At what point is EcoSun made aware of a warranty claim?
If the vendor is not responsive, it's on our radar as soon as the claim is there. Of course, we want to make the customer happy and take care of it as soon as possible. So as you see in this case, we got a lot more involved than we should have. But yeah, we usually only get involved if there is a major issue that cannot be resolved.
Off the top of your head, do you know how many warranty claims the claimants have filed in this matter?
0.
You filed 0 warranty claims?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I have nothing further.
Just one follow-on question, Mr. Kuka. Is it your testimony that the claimants never asked you for warranty documents after the contract was signed?
It was given in closing. I don't have any recollection of him asking me.
So you do not recollect claimants asking for warranty documents after the contract was signed, correct?
Not from me, no.
And it is your testimony that you provided the warranty documents at the closing, correct?
Correct.
Not before that, correct?
Correct.
Is it your testimony that there was no communications from claimant to you regarding the mold after Mold Trust did the remediation?
I haven't heard anything until I got the preliminary report.
So between after Mold Trust performed the remediation until you received the report, preliminary report in May, it is your testimony that you do not have any information about recurring mold in the claimant's house, correct?
Yeah, not that I recall.
Thank you. That's all I have.
He will read and sign.
Okay. Thank you, Rick. And then we can talk offline about the documents that are missing.
Yeah, I'll send you an email and we'll coordinate a time to do that.
Yeah, thank you.
Are you ordering or holding?
I will hold. We will get back to you on that.
Okay. Let me put my email address in the chat so that you can send me the exhibits, please.
Sure.
We go up to 26, correct? Although some of them we didn't talk about, but
I think we talked about each and every one.
maybe just didn't say. Okay, so we have up to 26.
We are up to 26. Yes.
So I see you have them in separate exhibits, so that's good, but they'll be in PDF, I hope.
They will all be PDF. Yeah, that's
right.
right.
Okay.
Let me just write down your email.
Sure.
Do you have my email address? Let me just write it down. If you can say CHEAKAG. Let me put my email address.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. If you can just send us an email, then we can order the transcript.
You want me to, okay. No. Mr. Sloan, if it gets ordered, I'll email you as well.
I missed all of that.
If the transcript gets orders, I'll let you know.
Yeah, thank you.
Sure.
Yeah. Well, thank you, everybody. Thanks, Eric.
All right, thank
Thanks,
you.
Mr. Cooker.